Hey people, well, I just want to make a video of a fan that's leaving my collection. This is a 1974 Lakewood Model P-223 an Avocado Green. This is the beater cabinet one. I'm making this video especially for Thor TheEngine, as this fan will be going to him. Yeah, I can't remember when it was that I got this. I think it was 2014, maybe. Anyway. Love an overall look at this and we'll fire it up. First let's look at the front. Yeah. As you can see, the grill's pretty mangled in that section. It's got a slat missing here and down there, and I think some of the slats that are there are kind of warped. And that space right here is where a grill badge emblem originally went. Now we'll look at the other sections of it. Here's one side. I guess the sides of the cabinet aren't that bad. It just has one little mark or two down there. And there. The other side. There's the other side. You got a little ding right there. I turn around the back. Yeah, as you can see, the back grill is pretty badly yellowed. And there's one side that's kind of partially broken out. Now, for those of you who remember this fan, this originally did have the Marco motor in it, but I swapped out the motors with the good cabinet one I intend to keep. Yeah, as you can see, this one now has the Westinghouse motor in it from the good cabinet. It has the date code of E74. It was produced in May of 1974, at least the motor was. As was the good cabinet P-223 that I intend to keep. Yeah, and that one now has the Marco motor that this one originally had. Let's view the top. As you can see, there's one reason I tend to not keep this one. As you can see, it's got some rust spots on the top, like right here and all over there. I don't know what that is. Yeah, it's got all these rust specks on it. And this is not the original handle. Original one must have broke somewhere. Someone must have ghetto rigged this one on there somehow. It's probably why these pieces of tape are there, because to cover up some of the cutouts. You can't really see right there, but this is held in by a couple screws. And this knob on there originally came from the good cabinet one. It's not badly yellowed, but it's not pure white. The one that originally came off of this one's like pure white. Not only did I switch the motors around, but I also switched the blades along with the motors, along with the switch. That way I don't switch everything up. I don't know. Just thought it was easier that way. Not only that, but the power cord that's on this one, I switched that out with the other one. As you can see, it's pretty yellowed. You may not be able to tell on film, but it's pretty yellowed. I mean, nothing wrong with it functionally. There are no tears or holes in it or anything. I mean, it's all fully functional. It's just kind of just yellowed. Now we'll give this a run. Here's high. Medium. Low. And of course, this is the one with the faster running speeds. I mean, low's kind of, I think it's like a medium high, and then medium's like high, and then high is like super high. Back to high. And as always, low double F smells off. Coast down time's still pretty decent on this one. I forgot to mention the reason I switched the motors around is because the new P-223 that I got just recently, that one's got a Westinghouse motor, and I didn't want to have two P-223s with a Westinghouse motor, and finding one with a Marco motor is hard to come by, so there you have it. This is the 1974 Lakewood Model P-223 beater cabinet, one with the Westinghouse motor, which originally came out of the good cabinet, one I intend to keep, along with that one's blade, switch, and power cord, and speed knob. And once again, this video is especially for Thor TheEngine. Excuse the clock in the background. So, thank you for watching.